What is going on, YouTube? Thank you for coming back and joining me for another vocal effect tutorial. And today you are in for a treat. The Lil Mosey vocal sound effect, Blueberry Faygo. One of hottest songs right now. This song is fucking lit all over TikTok. So I had to jump on here and do my own little version of it. Shout out to Lil Mosey. I did a full remix cover of it, of me recording it. There's a video of that on my channel. Go check that out. And this is going to be the mixing tutorial, how to get that same effect in FL Studio, and I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get to it. Roll the intro, Eli. Before we get into anything, make sure to double smack that like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more great content from your boy. We're growing this channel, and this channel is growing incredibly fast, but it needs your help. So make sure to hit that like button. Now, let's go. As always, we have auto-tune on here. I have the retune speed set a little higher for this one because Lil Mosey love his little auto-tune. Feel me? He love his auto-tune, so we have that. I set at 8, humanizers at 100. I have the alto input type at alto, and the key is in D minor. I did an in-depth video on auto-tune, so make sure to go and check that out if you have any confusion on auto-tune, how to use it, what to do. Next, on the actual main vocal, I have a Fury Parametric EQ2, and the EQ2 is just cutting out some of the low end, around 90 hertz. And then I'm doing a surgical EQ, taking out some of the resonant frequencies that are a little too loud. Took those out. Boosted the AK range just a tad. Have an SSL channel EQ. This is a great EQ. Emulates the hardware. Keeps it in that analog world. I'm just cutting out a little more of the low end. Boosting the 10K range. Lowering the 3K range. It was a little too present, so took some of that out. The 600 kilohertz range, I just took it down 1 or 2 dB. Next, compression. You got to make sure you have your compression, baby boys and girls. Make sure you have your compression. I have this is the input type. Set the attack to fast. As soon as the vocals come through, you want the compression to work, and I want the compression to hold on to the vocals, so I set the release all the way up. Turn off the analog because it adds like a hiss in the background on your vocal, and you don't want that. I have another compression. One of my favorite compression is the C6. It's a multi-band compressor. It just compresses each of the different frequency ranges. Here you have low end mids, high mids, and highs. I did mine to my vocal. It's going to be different for you. So when you using the multi-band compressor, make sure to use the different ranges. Make sure you do it when you're compressing each of the different ranges. Make sure you're doing it to your vocal, not mine. Next, we have a de-esser to take out all the S's and T's and to take all of those out. Next, we have NLS Bus. This is another analog emulation plugin. You run your vocals through the NLS Bus, and it adds this harmonic distortion, this beautiful analog kind of harsh. It's just beautiful. I set it to the Nevo setting, put the drive up, and let the vocals run through this plugin, and it's just butter. I tell you, sweat it, butter. Swear to God. I have this Puig Tech. This is another harmonic distortion plugin. It just takes your vocal out of the digital world, and it just gives it that flavor. When you're mixing your vocals, you want to try to get it out of that digital world and into that analog realm so that your vocals cut through the mix like butter. Okay, that's what we want. Butter. Okay, so this is the finished version of the track with all the plugins and all the effects on it. Enjoy.
One bad bitch and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Poured up 4 of that blueberry Fago. 1 false move and we straight to shooting shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes, big bands and I'm thumbing shit. 1 bad bitch and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Poured up 4, that's that blueberry Fago. 1 false move and we straight to shooting shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it go, big bands and I'm thumbing shit. Stacking the paper cause we coming up. Send me your location, I'm on the way. No need to rush cause we know the vibe. Me and you till the end of time. We don't gotta.
That right there was how to achieve that Blueberry Fago by Lil Mosey vocal sound effect. It's fairly simple. A lot of the vocal effects are very simple. It's just auto-tune, mostly reverb, delays, and a little bit of sauce in terms of compression and all little nits and gritty. I'm here to help you get those little secret little sauces. I don't mind sharing it with you guys. I know a lot of you guys want to sound like your favorite artist, so this is me helping you do that. If you enjoyed the video, I encourage you to slap the shit out of that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment what video I should do next. I have a couple videos lined up, but your suggestion in the comment section. I love to read your comments. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you in the next video, losers. Later.